This is a report of Midjourney news for the week ending the 20th of January, 2024. I'll leave a link to a document containing a transcript summary of this update, along with the single prompt I used to generate all Midjourney version 6 images seen in this video. The artist style we are highlighting in this video is a style similar to that of an Australian artist named Shaun. Let's get started. There was an update on Wednesday, the 17th of January, for the current public Midjourney website for all users. The new features include the following. The search bar has changed to always appear at the top of the page. There are now several more options to filter the visible images, including landscape, portrait, V6 or V5 images, etc. New view options were added to adjust how you want all the images to be displayed. You can create folders and smart folders to help organize your images. Finally, you can click and drag to select multiple images for bulk downloads or for bulk publish and unpublish. I have a link to the Discord message on this topic with its accompanying video for a demonstration of the new features. David Holes, the CEO for Midjourney, held the weekly office hours event on the 17th of January, 2024. During the event, there were several updates, which I will summarize here. For the planned V6 functionalities, the introduction of in-painting, out-painting, vary region, and pan and zoom are still pending. These were delayed due to some personnel being out of the office. David seemed pretty certain that if not this week, that next week all these features, which are basic to version 5, will be released for version 6. The development of a consistent styles feature is making progress and sounds likely for a near-term release. Work on a consistent characters feature is still in progress, yet it sounds less likely to be released at the same time as consistent styles. I think they are still looking at leveraging the consistent styles feature approach for consistent characters. That is, the consistent characters feature will use an image source for the character details similar to consistent styles for the style details. The work on a style tuner for V6 is still in progress. The team is testing both a style tuner version based on V5, as well as testing improved style tuner options. The decision on which particular version to target for V6 will be based on test results. The test focus is on accurate style reproduction, rather than content. Niji V6 is still in progress, although delayed somewhat due to some development issues. Midjourney Video is behind schedule due to data set acquisition issues. As far as future video feature release, there is no set date, and David is working to have enough GPUs available so that all users who want video will have reasonable access to it. There were 3 key development efforts discussed for the alpha website. 1. A general update to the Explore page, so you'll see different images every time with more variety and randomness. Also, there will be a reduced emphasis on common tropes showing on the Explore page, such as bikini images. 2. A redesign of the Create page, Explore page, and Lightbox is in play, including how buttons are used, and general user experience improvements. 3. A transition to a different and more user-friendly rating system is being developed, focusing on simplicity and obtaining the best user feedback. Upcoming priorities include expanding the alpha website to more users, improving V6 to match the set of V5 capabilities, moving V6 to beta and making it the default model, and improving V6 speed. After V6 beta is complete, it seems the focus will be on video, exploring version 7, and implementing updates more frequently for both fixes and functionality. The team is implementing a new regular polling system for user feedback to help guide development priorities. There are major surveys planned in February to help understand aesthetic preferences among Midjourney users. The surveys are rather involved, so GPU hours will be offered to participants for compensation. One goal of the surveys is to improve personalization capabilities. I hope you enjoyed this week's summary of Midjourney news. Just a reminder that you'll have a link to a document with a transcript summary and the prompt for these Midjourney V6 images. Thanks for your continued interest and support. See you soon. Bye bye.